are appropriated for civilian agencies. I mean, who are you going to entail in the DSWD? You know? While the state universities and hospitals, they've cut the budget. Ito masaya kasi now the House of Representatives, dati kandara pa sila. Bigay kay VP Sara ng no questions asked, confidential funds. Ngayon, binawi nyo. Siyempre magagalit si Digong sa inyo. Di ba? Uwak-bawi pala kayo eh. Pero hero ba kayo? Hero? Ha? Dahil binawi nyo? Dahil nakinig kayo sa taong bayan? Hindi naman eh. Baka naman politika lang yan.
Nabanggit po ni former President Duterte na gagamitin sana ni VP Sara yung confidential funds para sa ROTC. Is that legal?
We have to stop confidential funds.
And where would we put the money, ma'am?
But put it in social services.
Okay.
Put it in state universities. Put it in hospitals. Give it to persons with disability. You know, give the persons with disability their monthly assistance fund. You know, the senior citizens who are indigent. Give them that. There's
But
so
ma'am,
many
just
things
from
you
a
can
practical
do with so many
perspective.
billions of pesos, and you want it in confidential funds. So why are they withdrawing
Where will we
it
put
from
it?
VP Sara? Why are they withdrawing it from all the civilian? All of a sudden, they have a hallelujah. They found the Holy Grail. They're now zero for civilian agencies, and they'll move it to the Coast Guard and military. All of a sudden, you know, is there politics there involved? I like that. I like that. But I want it for the right reasons, Mr. Speaker. For the right reasons. That confidential funds should be stopped once and for all. Because we cannot
Across
afford.
the board.
We cannot afford a single million, a single peso in confidential funds that are most likely going to be in the pockets of public officials. Because, again, there is no transparency and the regulations for liquidation is very vague. Ay, hindi naman po pwedeng sa ROTC nyo yung gamitin kasi yung mga confidential fund, may regulation ang Commission on Audit dyan. Hindi po ba? May circular yan. Ang problema po kasi, sa Intel Fund, walang resibo. Yung confidential fund, wala ring resibo. I was mayor also before, ang naging COA commissioner pa ako. Alam niyo ba liquidation ng Intel Fund na yan, ipapasok lang sa sealed envelope, nakalagay sa circular, in sealed envelopes. Pwede ba recipe ng adobo mo, ilagay mo doon, adobong dilaw? Ilagay mo doon sa sealed envelope. Di ba yan papasa sa COA? Kasi sealed envelope yan eh. That's what I've been saying, that the Congress, aside from doing the Filipino people a favor, so it speaks, magpasa na kayo ng batas na nililimitan nyo yung confidential fund zero sa civilian agencies. At ang Intel funds ay may batas na nag-regulate kung paano yan gagastusin.
Senator Sonny Angara was defending the confidential fund of the president, saying that he is the head of state, merong mga bagay na siya lang nakakaalam at nakakakita.
Hindi ko alam kung ano alam niya. Pero
And ma'am, this has been...
pero I am saying that he is the commander-in-chief and he has all of these intel funds of these military agencies at his disposal. At siguro naiinggit siya kay Digong kasi 4.5 billion si Digong no? Last year. Sabi ni BBM siguro, ba't ako 1.2 billion lang, umaangal kayo?
Why now? Why is it just being looked at now, shed to light? Is it the sheer amounts, the sheer audacity?
Alam nyo kasi,
or it's been there for every administration?
Grabe ang mga tao ngayon kaya bumagsak yung nila, rating nila. Grabe na yung inflation, grabe na ang rising prices, 60% or more of the GDP ang utang. Baka gusto nyo matulad na kayo sa mga mas mahirap pa na bansa sa atin. Na halos hindi na tayo makabili ng bigas natin. So, in that context, na poor ang country natin, mag-intel fund, confidential fund pa kayo, na hindi namin alam where you spend it, napaka-confidential, hindi namin alam. What's happened sa Constitution? There has to be accountability and transparency, Gretchen. O saan ang transparency dyan kung sealed envelopes yan?
Is there hard evidence that this has been used for corruption? Hard evidence?
What do you mean hard evidence? Has anybody been sued in the Ombudsman for the misuse of confidential funds? I don't think so. But you know, you gave me an idea. I'm going to search for it tomorrow.